Metal deficiency defect. The name itself contains the reason. Metal deficiency means less number of cation only present. So metal deficiency defect arises due to the presence of less number of cation than anion. Metal excess defect means metal present excessively. Metal deficiency means less number of metal only present. This defect is observed in a crystal in which cations have variable oxidation state. What do you mean by variable oxidation state? More than one oxidation state. Example, for Fe, two types of charges are possible. One is +2, another one +3. This is called as variable oxidation state. This defect is observed in a crystal which contains variable oxidation state. For example, FeO crystal, some of the Fe2 plus ions are missing from the lattice site. See this picture here, this Fe2 plus ion is missing from its lattice site to maintain the electrical neutrality. If one Fe2 plus ion is missing means generally negative charge only present excessively. Less number of positive charge is present. So, but to maintain the neutrality, twice number of Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus. Fe3 plus oxygen is represented by different color. For balancing this charge, one Fe2 plus ion is missing, that is the charge is +2. For balancing this +2 charge, this Fe2 plus get one additional charge and this Fe2 plus get one additional charge, that is Fe plus 3 and here Fe plus 3. Twice number of Fe2 plus ion is oxidized to Fe3 plus. In such case, overall number of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus ion is less than the O2 minus. So overall number of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus is less because less number of metal ion is present. So only it is called as metal deficiency defect. So overall number of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus is less than O2 minus. It was experimentally found that general formula of ferrous oxide FeXO. Here that X value may be 0.93 to 0.98. We can take any one value for understanding. 0.98. Without mentioning value means that is called as, if simply we are writing FeO means one Fe and one oxygen is there. Both are equal number. But here that X value is 0.93 and one oxygen is given. If both value for converting whole number, both value is multiplied by 100 means you will get O100 and this is converted into 93. So 93 Fe and 100 oxygen. So less number of metal ion only present. So only it is called as metal deficiency defect. So metal deficiency defects means less number of metal ion is present compared to anion. So one of the metal ion is missing here. For balancing the charge, because of missing of metal ion, for balancing the charge, 2 Fe2 plus get additional charge, that is Fe2 plus converting to Fe3 plus for balancing charge. This is called as metal deficiency defect. Next topic, impurity defect. This is man-made defect. A general method of introducing defect. Here we are introducing defects for our convenience. We are introducing defects in ionic solids by adding impurity ions. If the impurities ions are in different valence state from the host, vacancies are created in the crystal lattice of host. That's all. I am going to explain these three lines only with help of one example. Here impurity cadmium chloride is added to AgCl. In AgCl, Ag valency is +1. In cadmium chloride cadmium valency is +2. So here we are introducing impurities ions in difference valence state, here +1 valence state, here +2 valence state. Different valence state from the host of vacancies are created. For example, addition of cadmium chloride to silver chloride yields solid solution where the divalent cation Cd2 plus cadmium 2 plus ion occupies the position of Ag plus. See here, Ag plus Cl minus, Ag plus Cl minus, Ag plus Cl minus. If you are adding cadmium chloride, it will occupy Cd2 plus. Instead of this Ag plus, cadmium 2 plus occupies position. Its charge is 2 plus. Now positive charge is higher, that is here single positive charge, here 2 positive charge, here single positive charge, totally 4 plus. Minus charge totally 1, 2, 3, 3 minus only. So here positive charge is higher. For balancing that, one Ag plus ion leaves from its site. If it leaves from its site means here one vacancy is created, that is only given here. Difference vacancy are created in crystal lattice of the host. So addition of impurities cadmium chloride to silver chloride yields solid solution where divalent cation Cd2 plus occupies the position of Ag plus. If it occupies the position of Ag plus means the charge is positive charge is increased, so it will disturb the electrical neutrality because positive charge is more. For neutral, both positive and negative should be equal, but now because of replacing Ag plus by Cd2 plus cadmium 2 plus, positive charge is increased. In order to maintain the same, the proportional number of Ag plus cation ion leave the lattice, so it produces the cation vacancy. Such kind of crystal defects is called as impurity defects. If this is the crystal lattice of AgCl, if we are adding cadmium 2 plus to this AgCl means it will occupy one of the Ag plus ion place. So here cadmium 2 plus is occupied instead of Ag plus. If you are counting means totally, now if you are counting the charge means totally 4 positive charges are there. Here single, here 2 plus, here single positive charge, totally 4 positive charge. If you are adding negative charge means here single minus, here single minus, here single minus, totally 3 minus. Now neutrality is affected because positive charge is more. For maintaining the neutrality, one of the Ag plus ion leaves from its lattice point. If it goes means this place is empty, that is called as cation vacancy. Such kind of defect are called as impurity defect. These defects are created by us, that is man-made defect. This is not a natural defect. That's all. So with this topic, this lesson over. Thank you. Next topic, Frenkel defect. See this picture. AgCl, AgBr is given. Here also negative ion and positive ion both are alternatively arranged. Here one Ag plus ion is missing. That Ag plus ion present at the interstitial position, that is that missed Ag plus ion is placed here. That is, it occupies the interstitial position between the anion. In Schottky defect, ions are missed. Equal number of positive and negative ions are missed. But in Frenkel defect, it occupies the interstitial space between the anions. That is the difference. Frenkel defect arises due to the dislocation of ions from its crystal lattice. Dislocation, instead of here, it occupies here. So dislocation. So Frenkel defect arises due to the dislocation of the ion from its crystal lattice. The ion which is missing from the lattice point occupies the interstitial position. The ion which is missing from the lattice point, here only atom is missed. The atom is missed from lattice point, it occupies the interstitial position. This defect is known by ionic solids in which cation and anion are differ in size. In our previous Schottky defect, the size of cation and anion must be in similar. That is, in Schottky defect exists only in ionic solids contain similar cation and anion, but this Frenkel defect exists only in small cation and large anion. So, which cation, anion differ in size, not similar. Unlike Schottky defect, this defect does not affect the density of the crystal. Schottky defect affect the density, but Frenkel defect does not affect the density, because in Schottky defect atoms are missed, but here no missing of ions. Here only dislocation only takes place. Instead of one place, it occupies another place. That's all. So density won't affect. For example, AgBr. In this case, small Ag plus ion leaves a normal site and occupies interstitial position as shown in figure. We can easily learn this Frenkel defect by using Schottky defect. In Schottky defect, atoms are missing. Here, at dislocation takes place. Instead of occupying one place, it occupies another place, that Ag plus ion. Second one, that Schottky defect exists only in ionic solids which contains similar size of cation and anion. But here this Frenkel defect exists only in ionic solids which contain anion and cation differ in size, not similar. Unlike Schottky defect, this does not affect the density. Schottky defect affects the density because their atoms are missing, automatically density decreases. But here no atom is missing, dislocation only takes place, so density won't affect. Example AgBr, see this picture, that explanation only given here. In this picture, Ag plus ion is missing from its lattice sign at lattice point and occupying another place, that is interstitial space between the anion. What do you mean by interstitial space? See here condition is it must be small cation and larger anion. Then only this Frenkel defect exists. If large anion is present, means between the anion some interstitial space are there. In that space, that cations are occupying. That's all. Frenkel defects over. Now we can see that explanations for stoichiometry defect in ionic solids. This defect is also called intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. Please mark it. By using this name, they can ask question. Explain thermodynamic defect. Explain any one of the thermodynamic defect. Explain any one of the intrinsic defect. Like that they may ask. So you have to mark this word. In stoichiometry ionic crystals, the vacancy of one ion always must be associated with either absence of another opposite charged ion, that is Schottky defect. In Schottky defect, if one positive ion is missing means equal number of negative ion is also missing, that only given here. Vacancy of one ion must be associated with absence of another positive charged ion, that is Schottky defect. Or vacancy of one ion must be associated with presence of same charged ion in the interstitial position so as to maintain the electrical neutrality. Vacancy of one ion is associated with the same charged ion occupy the interstitial position, that is dislocation, that is Frenkel defect. So here introduction for Schottky defect and Frenkel defect only given. That's all. Stoichiometry defect over. Next we are going to learn non-stoichiometry defect. Already you know non-stoichiometry defect means metal excess defect and metal deficiency defect. So next topic, metal excess defect.